Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove Snapchat location tags. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to your Bitmoji on the top left corner. And once you are there, head over to the settings on the top right. And in here, scroll down. And here you will find the option of see my location. Go to there in the privacy control section. And here, if you want to turn on ghost mode, you can turn it on. And here, when you are in ghost mode, your friends can't see your location while you are in ghost mode, and they uh they will not be seen in your location tags too. So yeah, this is how you can remove Snapchat location tags easily. Hope this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video.